John Hamilton ProMech Heavy Equipment here again. Today we're here to discuss the all-new Manitou MRT Telehandler. The new range of Manitou Telehandlers has all the versatility of the old range, but with many new innovations. The new cab design, improved visibility, improved access, new digital touchscreen, soft touch controls, new climate control system, improved safety monitoring, increased LED lighting outside for working round the clock. The MRT's versatility is second to none. 380 degrees slewing. It can lift, it can carry, it can give you access. And with 20 attachments or more to add to it, no matter what the job you've got to do, the MRT can cover all your bases. The Manitou MRT has proved highly successful on overhead rail, overhead road projects in Thailand. Take a look. Whether it be working day or night, the all-new LED lighting system from Manitou gives you the ultimate visibility and the ultimate safety. And there we have it, the all-new MRT from Manitou. Call us here at ProMech today for a demonstration or a quotation.